The very first thing to try is the default password. Go to your DVR login screen right now. First combination twos. Username, admin, toothin, password, admin. Type it in exactly and hit enter.
If that shows an error, don't worry. Try the next one. Username, admin, password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still not working? Try username, admin q, password 6 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, q. Then press enter.
Last default option pled. Username, admin, 4c. Password, leave it completely blank. Just press enter without typing anything.
If any of these combinations worked by, congratulations, you are back in your DVR. Go change your password right now so you don't get locked out again. Method 2 uses your smartphone. Pick up your phone and open the Night Owl Protect app right now.
Important. Make sure your phone and your DVR are both connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This step is critical for the reset to work. Inside the app, tap on your DVR device. Then tap the settings icon and select Device Settings from the menu.
Scroll down inside Device Settings until you see Reset Password. Tap on it, and the app will now send a reset link to your registered email address.
Open your email inbox Pew. You will see a new email from Night Owl. Open it and tap the Reset Password button inside that email. Now type your new password too. Make it strong too. Use letters, numbers, and a special character. Confirm it too, and tap Save.
Go back to your DVR login screen, type your new password, and log in. You are back in full control of your DVR. Method 2 complete.
If you never set up the Night Owl app or don't have access to your registered email show, Method 3 works directly from your DVR screen. No phone needed. On your DVR monitor login screen, deliberately enter the wrong password 5 times in a row. Keep going even when it shows error. After the 5th wrong attempt mentroll, a Forgot Password option will appear at the bottom of the login screen. Tap on it immediately. You will now see the security questions you answered when you first set up your DVR. Answer each one carefully. Exact spelling matters here. Type your answers one by one. Remember text. These are the exact answers you gave during initial DVR setup. Then click Confirm. Now set your new password plain, confirm it plain, and click Save. You are now back inside your Night Owl DVR. No tools, no calls needed.